पर सहमति बनाई है।
Dismissing reports about the resurgence of militant groups in the Garo Hills region, Cabinet Minister and MDA 2.0 spokesperson Marcus and Marak on Thursday said today's youth are more educated and well-informed, with numerous government programs offering them better opportunities. The Garo National Liberation Army GNLA outfit, once a significant security threat in Meghalaya, was effectively dismantled following the death of its leader, Sohan D. Shira, in 2018. His death triggered the surrender of several GNLA cadres, ushering in a period of relative peace in the Garo Hills. Recognizing William Nagar's history as a former militancy hotbed, Marak, an NPP leader and the spokesperson of the MDA government, emphasized the various initiatives undertaken by the MDA government to strengthen stability and drive development in the region.
There's no such news. It was only some, I think, rumors that there are regrouping of the generals. There's no such regrouping in practical. Nowadays, roads are accessible to every villages. When there was GNLA, NBCs long time back, 7 years back, no road communications were there. To cross the Simsang River, it is very difficult. You have to cross by boat only. So they get the advantage. But now you go to other side of the Simsang River. Lots of bridges are there. So many roads are there, and then remotest part of the village is also connected with roads. So therefore, no chance of coming, regrouping, nothing.
Former ANVC-B